Alright, me and JoJo. Oh man. We're getting ready to shoot this math video here. And there's JoJo right there. The dogs, the yard that I'm going to clean up over the next 2 weeks. And as we're doing some math problems here and there as well. You know, got the Gosman right here. Okay. The dogs have pooped everywhere, so I got to clean all that up. Good to know. You know, never did I think I would be a man with 4 dogs. But, you know, it happens. 4 children, 4 dogs, 2 jobs. You know, living the dream. Hey, which brings me to the next point. You got to make sure, if you ever do have children, that, yeah, math, early age, it's like another language. We start talking English, Spanish, Russian, whatever we're talking around the house, we start doing it early on.
What's Russian?
Oh, that's good stuff. Hey, but so you know, you do that stuff, and then, you know, it's started at the beginning. You know, JoJo, how high can you count?
300.
Yep. How high can you count backwards? From how high?
100.
Pretty sure you counted backwards from 200 last night. Yeah.
No, I didn't.
You messed up a little bit, I guess. Yeah, you're right. Okay. See? Modest. Alright, so let's talk about what we got so far on this problem, if I don't fall over. We know it's a scalene triangle. We know the sum is 42. And then they ask us which are the possible lengths of the longest. 2 possible lengths.
I don't have any rings.
Okay, so let's talk about this. So let's just say we wanted to, you know, like, let's just say we did a, remember, you gotta kind of have the triangle, you know, inequality idea, where if I chose 21, which was the biggest one to start with, right, then 21 is gonna have 2 more spots, but you take away 21 from 42, and all you're left with is 21, and then the sum of these 2 sides is not going to be greater than the other one, okay? So think about that. So if I back up and then I say, okay, let me take 20 as my longest side, and then the sum of these 2 guys, the smaller and the middle one, would, you know, be able to add up. They would add up to 22 because it would be 22. So they would add up to 22. Probably should have done this graph different, but I think you understand now at that point. So that one works. Let's see, does 15 work? Okay, if I do 15, I do 42 minus 15.
Hey, this is
What?
dead.
And then we're looking at what? 42 minus 15, 27? Yeah. All right, I stayed up late last night working, sending y'all math problems at midnight, okay? Jeez Louise, okay? You know, and trying to dodge people. I've washed my hands so many times, like prunes. Okay, so then we're going to have a 27 combo out there, right there, from there. We were at 22 here. Let's see if, so 15 would also work. So that was the answer that most of y'all put in, and you were good. But let's talk about maybe why 14 couldn't be the longest side. Potentially. Okay, so what if we did 42 minus 14? What do we get? I lost a child. Probably took poop in the house on his feet. Alright, so then if we did 42 minus 14, what, we got 28? And then we'd have another sum left of, you know, we got 2 more sides to make. So they could both be 14, and then we could have potentially had a equilateral triangle with everything being 14. God bless us. And it needs to be scalene. Okay, and then you got 42, the last one 10, then you get 32, and then you kind of get the same idea. You break that up. However you break that up, it's not going to work for your, you know, your inequality. Okay, so 20 and 15, that's the answer. Everybody that got it wrong was very close anyway. Good job. Anybody else wants to shoot a video without having to dodge poop at the same time and on your level of fully caffeination? First off, just be safe, guys. Stay away from people. Practice the social distancing. You know, don't believe everything you hear, but also, you know, this is a legit thing. We do not want to catch it like Italy or China. Love you guys, care about y'all. Stay safe, get outside, listen to your parents, help your parents. You know, I will talk to you guys later. Jojo, what the heck are you doing? What are you doing?
I don't know.
I don't know. And if you're wondering about this patio, I built this patio a few years back before I had the JoJo with my dad. It started out as a summer project, and then we built this. It took us about a year and a half.